hard work. If money don't grow on trees, why do banks have branches? Hmm? Excellent. I like a good challenge from time to time. For this year the challenge will be to camp at least one time each month. This would be my first trip this year. More to come. Let's see how that goes. Good morning. My water is frozen solid, so I'll have to melt some snow to prepare some food. Minus 23. My toes are frozen. Should be better now. I got my snow.